Hello, this is John with Anthem Business Solutions, and today we're going to go over the adjustments report. So this report will show us what adjustments were used. Adjustments will be any type of service charges like gratuity, and it will also be any type of meal comps, anytime you discount a whole meal or a whole ticket, whole order, that will fall under adjustments. Discounts is very similar, but discounts in Heartland's terminology is when you just discount the item. That will be a different report over here. If you're interested in that one, go see my other video I have on this one. So for this one, I'm in the admin portal, which is hrpos.heartland.us. Went to the menu icon here at the top left, and I went to reports, and I'm on the adjustment report here on the side. Now you can also view this on the workstation. It's actually pretty similar. Pretty much all these reports over here are going to be on the workstation. All you have to do is sign into the workstation and then go to the menu icon up here at the top right and then go to the reports button. It will show your reports there on the left hand side. As normal, we've got the export here for PDF and CSV if you need a digital copy. And then we have the print button here where you can print this report out. You can filter by staff on this report. Just remember that that it's not going to show every single staff member unless that staff member has applied a meal comp or adjustment of some kind. In this case, only Support Anthem applied one of these, or both of these, actually all of these. All right, and then we have the date range here, which you can go back and forth with the arrow, or you can select the date range to open the calendar. You've got some quick buttons here that you can do if you just want to quickly see the last 7 days, or if you want to see last week, or this month, last month, etc. Or you can select a specific day that you want and hit the run button. You can also choose a range by doing it that way by selecting the day first. So like let's say I want to do from January 1st, I select that one. I go back to March. You kind of we'll do a year to date kind of thing here. And it'll take that date range and we can hit run. We'll run that. Now this is just a testing site that I use, so I don't have very many meal comps in here. So in a live environment, this will be more populated, I'm sure. But I want to go into each one because it's one of my favorite features of Heartland is you can interact with a lot of the stuff here in reports. So we're going to go into each one because really here on this first page, I mean, unless you're just looking to see a quick number like how many you had and how many, and what price it affected, that's pretty much all you have on this page. So for example, if I go to this meal percent comp combo, or comp, not combo, this will show me how many tickets had this open percent meal comp added to it. So we only have one, so I'll drill into that one. Then here you can see where it was added on. Now here where it says customer retention is where it was asking for a description. So that was what we put in as a description when we did this comp. Now you can also go to the audit trail up here and you can see who added the adjustment. And that's what's nice about the audit trail is always some kind of paper trail where you can find out who did what. Now I'll go back to the adjustments here, and I'm going to go to gratuity this time. And the gratuity is very similar, it just shows the ticket number that you can go into. Of course, since gratuity was adding money instead of taking money away, and this is a positive number. Again, you can go into here, see what was rung up, all the way down. They just ordered a lot of sodas. Now I was just ringing this up real quick and just so I could add on a gratuity here, but did the same thing. It asked for a description, so I just put large group. You can put whatever you want. You can put for gratuity, you can put like the name of the business or whatever. That way you got something to go back to where you can see, oh, the Anthem group was here. And same thing with this, you can view the audit trail, see who added the adjustment on there. That's pretty much all there is to this report. So That's the end of this video. I hope it was helpful. Thanks for watching. Want to stay up to date on the latest tips and tricks? Don't forget to click the subscribe button and hit the bell icon.